Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Hello, my name is Puji Azimi. You can call me Uji. I work as a social media specialist, and today I want to explain what this profession actually involves. Okay, so as a social media specialist, is the person responsible for a brand's online presence and voice. Every post a company shares on Instagram, on TikTok, or even on X is the result of planning, writing, designing, scheduling, and reviewing performance data afterward. Okay, so my role is essentially to act as a bridge between a company and its audience, turning business goals into the content that make people interested. My responsibilities cover several areas. First, I create content, which includes writing, planning photo and video shoots, and also developing ideas. Second, I of course manage the posting schedule, and then the third is I monitor engagement by reading comments and then replying to messages, including handling complaints. Fourth, I analyze data on a weekly basis to understand which posts that perform well and in which do not, and to identify the reasons behind those results. And then finally, I keep track of ongoing trends since audience preference shift quickly, and content that worked last month can already feel outdated today. Okay. So this profession matters because social media often serves as the first point of contact between a brand and a potential customer. Before visiting a store or reading reviews, people usually check a brand's social media profile first. And a content that looks neglected or inconsistent tend to reduce interest almost immediately. While a well-managed presence builds trust, and trust is what eventually turns a casual viewer into a loyal customer. Yes, social media also gives a brand a direct channel to their audience, allowing companies to understand customer needs to comment in messages rather than relying only on assumptions. Yeah. And then there are also clear responsibilities that come with this role. Social media specialists should understand that the target audience, since content designed for one age group will not necessarily work for another. So consistency is equally important as it builds recognition over time. And then fact should always be verified before publishing, since incorrect information spread quickly once it goes online. And then listening to the audience matters as much as producing content, because social media function as a two-way conversation rather than one-directional broadcast. And at the same time, there are practices that should be avoided, like negative feedback should not be ignored as doing to tend to escalate the situation rather than resolve it. And then a trend should not be followed automatically without checking whether they align with the brand's values. Yeah, and also public disagreements with customer should be avoided, since online conversations are visible to a wide audience and then can easily turn into a larger controversy. And finally, the impact of a single post should never be underestimated, as one careless caption or a poorly considered job can undo a month of consistent work within minutes. Yes. And then in conclusion, being a social media specialist requires more than creativity, I would say. It requires strategy, responsibility, and a genuine understanding of people. I'm saying this profession sits at the intersection, I would say, of communication and data, and in a world where most audience are active online, it remains relevant and necessary role. I think maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.